Okay guys, I've got a bit of a how-to video here for you. Picked up a bit of a nail in the old tyre, and I've managed to get it out a little bit. I'm just going to winkle that out a bit further, and hopefully it'll, you know, I don't think there's so much air left in this tyre actually anyway, so just winkle this one out a bit. Oh, yeah, if you can hear that hissing at all. Just so I can know where that hole is, I just better mark it with a bit of, bit of crayon there, just because that's where the hole is, just in case we get any sort of issues a bit later on. And then what I'd like to do is just get some nice sort of 870 sandpaper, some emery tape, and then just give that a little rub down. Okay, I tend to use this a lot on the side of the tyres as well, where you get these shiny bits after you've been riding for a while. This sort of, you can see, look at the black coming off there already. So that's useful for that. Also useful for cleaning up around the puncture site itself. So go to town. It does take a little while, so what I like to do then is start getting some power tools, and then we can really start to buff these off, because we need a nice clean patch. Yep, lovely and clean. Go to town on that. You can get those from Whole Foods for a few pence really. So once you've got that nice and clean, you'll need to make sure it's really nice and clean, and get some of this stuff. It does absolutely everything you'd ever need it to. So just give that a good old spray. That's lovely. Bit of a wipe down. See how clean and shiny that tyre's gone now? Oh, beautiful. Look, that's just perfect. That's just cleaned it up a treat. That's lovely. So once you've got that on there, you then need to really start to clean it up with some isopropyl alcohol. Get that on there as well. That just really tidies the job up absolutely perfectly. Okay, so we want to make sure this is good, good for a long time. A nice sturdy repair. So that's in there. Then what I like to do, that hole, I like to use this stuff, RTV silicon sealant. It's better than blue tack. Just get some of that, squeeze it into the hole there as best you can. Okay, that fills up the hole lovely. And then if you want a nice neat job, just wipe it with your thumb there. Let's see, lovely. Look at that. It's almost as good as new already, but we haven't finished yet. So take off that bit of excess. There we go, look, perfect. And then what we need is, just to finish it off nicely, is an egg. Eggs fill holes in radiators all the time. Yeah, they can fill holes in tyres perfectly. It's no big deal. We just rub that over, make sure it's in there just nice. Lovely, lovely. And then what I like to do is get one of these patches from, they're called scabs. Lovely. You just peel them off. Look, they come in a packet. Peel them off, absolutely smash in, and stick it over the hole. Okay, that just lives on there lovely. And then because it's green and it stands out and everybody thinks, oh yeah, you got a puncture, you repaired that tire, just colour it in with the old pen. Okay, there you go. Hey presto, puncture repaired.